How to install wooden shelves. Make sure to collect all required components and tools necessary prior to your installation. Each shelf is supported by 4 support dowel pins which go under the support housing. The support housing can be locked to secure the shelves into position. Step 1. Begin your installation by inserting the dowel support pins into your desired position. 4 dowel support rods are required for each shelf. Support dowel pins can be removed and installed at different holes on the cabinet frame to install shelves at different heights. Step 2. Prior to installing your shelves, make sure the support housing locks are in the unlocked position. Step 3. Slide the shelf into position and install, making sure the pins are fully inserted into the shelf support housing. Step 4. Slide the shelf lock outwards at all corners on the bottom of the shelf to lock the shelf into place.